Namaste, and welcome to Small Travel Wonders with Sam. Today we're embarking on a vibrant journey to India, a land of captivating chaos and serene beauty. Whether you're drawn to the bustling streets of Delhi or the tranquil backwaters of Kerala, this diverse country promises an unforgettable adventure. Navigating a new destination can be daunting, so we've compiled a list of essential travel tips and hacks specifically tailored for India. From packing efficiently to staying safe and embracing the local culture, these insights will empower you to navigate this incredible country like a seasoned traveler. So, grab your virtual passport, and let's unlock the secrets to an enriching and unforgettable Indian escapade. Packing for India is like preparing for a grand feast. You want a taste of everything without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, less is more. Opt for lightweight, breathable clothing, suitable for a variety of climates. Pack versatile items that can be dressed up or down, like a scarf that can double as a head covering or a sarong for temple visits. Utilize packing cubes. These lifesavers compress your clothes, maximize space, and keep your luggage organized. Imagine arriving at your hotel, effortlessly pulling out a perfectly packed cube dedicated to shirts. That's the magic of efficient packing. Before you zip up that suitcase, create a checklist to ensure you don't forget any essentials. From sunscreen and insect repellent to a universal adapter and a first aid kit, these little things can make a world of difference in your travel experience. And remember, leave some room for souvenirs. You're bound to find treasures along the way. Securing an affordable flight is your ticket to unlocking India's treasures. Start your search early. The early bird catches the worm, especially when it comes to airfare. Utilize flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to compare prices from various airlines. Flexibility is key when hunting for deals. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, or flying into smaller airports near your destination. These often offer cheaper fares. Don't be afraid to embrace the art of the layover. Sometimes, opting for a connecting flight can significantly reduce your overall travel costs. Remember, patience is a virtue. Set up fare alerts to receive notifications when prices drop on your desired route. With a little persistence and flexibility, you'll be well on your way to experiencing India without breaking the bank. Navigating with confidence. Safety tips for a worry-free trip. India, like any other destination, requires a healthy dose of street smarts to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Keep your belongings close, and avoid flashing large sums of money. It's helpful to have a photocopy of your passport and visa, keeping them separate from the originals. Familiarize yourself with emergency contact numbers, including the local police and your embassy. When using taxis or rickshaws, ensure they're licensed and agree on a fare beforehand. Most importantly, trust your instincts. If a situation feels uncomfortable, remove yourself from it. Remember, responsible travel involves staying informed and taking necessary precautions to ensure a smooth and worry-free adventure. Let's talk tech. Must-have apps for exploring India. In today's digital age, your smartphone can be your most valuable travel companion. Equip yourself with helpful apps to enhance your Indian adventure. Navigation apps like Google Maps are indispensable for navigating the labyrinthine streets and finding hidden gems. Language barrier? No problem. Download a translation app like Google Translate to bridge the communication gap and interact with locals. Discover local flavors and hidden culinary gems with food apps like Zomato, your guide to India's diverse culinary scene. From booking accommodations on the go to finding the nearest ATM, there's an app for every travel need. Embrace the power of technology to streamline your journey and unlock a world of convenience at your fingertips. Your unforgettable journey begins now. As we conclude our virtual tour of essential travel tips for India, remember that the most important ingredient for an unforgettable journey is your sense of adventure. Embrace the unexpected, be open to new experiences, and allow yourself to be captivated by the magic of India. From packing light and finding affordable flights, to staying safe and utilizing technology to your advantage, these tips will empower you to navigate this incredible country with confidence. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of wonder, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. India awaits, and a world of vibrant experiences beckons. Until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through India. We hope these insider tips have inspired you to start planning your own adventure. Remember, the world is a book, and those who don't travel only read one page. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We're passionate about sharing our love for exploration and helping you make the most of your travel experiences. So, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video with a new destination to discover.